Hey everybody, it's Ashley from the Heavenly Hills Homestead, and today we're gonna go do our Azure Standard order. So our drop-off is at 8:30 this morning, so the little one and I are gonna get in the car and go pick it up. So come along with us. Okay guys, so I am back from grabbing my Azure Standard order at the local drop-off, and it's all unpacked, and I'm gonna walk you through and show you what we got. So this is what it looks like when it comes off the truck and you get everything divvied out and you figure out what your stuff is. They pack it and consolidate as much as they can into boxes. So I have 2 boxes here, and then a 50-pound bag of flour and a 25-pound bag of oats. Okay, so this was my very first Azure Standard order. I have read about it and watched a bunch of videos about it and browsed the website for a long time, but this was my first time actually ordering and doing the pickup. So we only got a few things and we're bulk buying things. So for those who don't know what Azure Standard is, it's a great website you can go on. They're based out of Oregon, and it's great for bulk buying. They do have lots of things that you don't have to bulk buy there, and it's great prices, especially for organic items. But we are using Azure right now for bulk buying, to save a lot of money, and then just to have more food on hand for us, so we're not having to go to the store all the time every week. So this month, they usually do an order once a month, and they'll do a drop-off where basically you save on shipping by consolidating and combining with a bunch of other local people, so it divides up the shipping cost. So there were like 20 other people's orders with my order, so I saved a lot on shipping. The truck comes to the drop point, and we all get an email to know when they're gonna be there. So we all showed up there. They unloaded the pallet or pallets, depending on how big your drop is, off the truck, and then we all go and divvy up the stuff into piles by name. They'll come in boxes, or they'll have stickers on the bags that'll say, okay, this is Ashley's stuff here. And then we kind of sit and chat and go home with our stuff. So it's pretty great. I met some great people this morning when I went to my first drop-off, so I'm really excited to be doing this most months, if not every month, for our family. So this month I got 2 giant 5-pound blocks of cheese. The reason that I got this cheese is because it's a raw milk cheese, and if you sometimes can find raw milk cheese at your local grocery store, but it's really, really, really expensive. This, on the other hand, when I'm bulk buying this raw milk cheese, it was like $5 a pound, which is so cheap, especially for raw milk cheese. So I got a 5-pound block of this is a sharp cheddar. Yeah, a sharp cheddar, and then I also got a 5-pound block of pepper jack, which is my husband's favorite. And then I've really been into spicy food lately too. Not that pepper jack's really spicy, but I'll enjoy this as well. And then another thing that I got is a bunch of butter. This is a grass-fed, grass-finished, vat-cultured butter and it's very similar to like the Kerrygold butter that you get, but it's way cheaper, and I was able to buy it in bulk. I love the Kerrygold butter, but it is on the expensive side, and it's hard to find a source where you can bulk buy. We used to bulk buy the Kerrygold butter at Costco, but since our local Costco is not local at all, and it's an hour-and-a-half drive for us both ways, we just didn't renew our membership, and we just don't shop at Costco anymore. It's just not close enough to make it worth it for us. So I was really excited to find a source for grass-fed butter at Azure. So, and I got a box that came with 12 sticks. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'll probably next month get another box or two of this butter, because we do go through a lot of butter with our home cooking. I did get a bag of organic mini chocolate chips, semi-sweet. I'm not a super sweet tooth, but I do like a little bit of chocolate here and there. And usually how I like to do that is with chocolate chips and the mini chocolate chips. We do a little bit of baking with my toddler with, chocolate chips. So this is a big, I think it was 5 pounds. Yeah, 5 pounds. And this will last us a while, but I was glad to be able to bulk buy this. And then you can see here my 2 big bags. I've got a 50-pound bag of flour, because if you've watched my sourdough video or heard me talk before, you know that we go through a lot of flour. So it was really awesome to get, this is an organic artisan baker craft organic wheat flour is what it says. So I'm really excited to have a cheaper but organic option for my flour, because I do go through it a lot. And then I did get a 25-pound bag of oats. In my grocery haul video, I talked about how I eat oatmeal for breakfast a lot. It's a really nice, easy breakfast for us. So we go through oats, and having a big giant bag for way cheaper is awesome. So I'm excited to have these 2 things. We will be storing these in 5-gallon buckets, probably with gamma lids, so that it stays fresher longer and we don't have to worry about pests. So yeah, that is my Azure Standard order. It's kind of a little bitty one, but it's bulk buying, so even though it was just a few things, we got a lot of it and spent a little bit more money. But it's nice because I don't have to buy these things at the grocery store for a good long while, and with my Azure Standard I know that I can get it cheaper and in bulk, so that's really, really great. Azure Standard also just recently started an affiliate program, so I have a link below in the description box, and if you wanted to check out Azure, you can click on that link, and I believe it gives you a discount and it gives me money towards my next order. But yeah, like I said, Azure is a great way to bulk buy and to save money. You don't have to bulk buy, but you can save a lot of money, especially if you're wanting to do organic food, which is important for us. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video and seeing what I got in my Azure Standard haul. I hope that you check out Azure and get a bulk order too, because it's always a great idea to have lots of food on hand, because you never know what's going to happen, or if you lose a job, or grocery stores have shortages like we saw in the last couple years. So we like to have lots of food on hand. If you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe, and don't forget to go in the comments below and tell me what you want to see more of in my upcoming videos.